A single worker bee produces just 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in her entire lifetime. That means it takes 12 worker bees to make 1 teaspoon of honey. Let that sink in. That tiny spoon of sweetness, it's the complete life's work of a dozen insects. Worker bees live only 5 to 7 weeks during spring and summer. The first few weeks are spent working inside the hive, while the last weeks are spent foraging for nectar. So each bee has just 2 to 3 weeks to actually collect nectar. That's the entire window to contribute their 1/12 teaspoon. To make just 1 pound of honey, bees can fly 55,000 miles and visit 2 million flowers. That's more than twice around the Earth. And remember, 1 pound equals 96 teaspoons. So for every single teaspoon, bees collectively fly about 575 miles and visit roughly 208,000 flowers. A single 16-ounce bottle of honey takes more than 1,100 bees just to gather the pollen and nectar inside. That's 1,100 bees working their entire lives from birth to death for 1 bottle you could drink in a week. A strong hive can contain 50 to 100,000 bees during peak summer and produce 60 pounds of honey per hive per year. And here's what makes this even crazier. Every time you buy a jar of honey, you're holding the literal lifetime work of over 1,000 individual bees. These tiny insects work non-stop for 5 to 7 weeks, dedicating their entire existence to creating something we consume without thinking twice. Which fact surprised you most? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more mind-blowing facts. Visit Sikho.ai.